How would you pronounce this?
Asi.
I know that I took you because you speak Spanish and that it sounds like that. But so you say así, you know? That's interfering your language with the other one. If you didn't know Spanish, you would. I wonder how the Kiwis will find a Kiwi who hasn't spoken another language to tell me this. But they will say, I know. Can you try it again? You say
In the Spanish with the Spanish influence.
Just imagine, no, you didn't know Spanish. You just see this word and you say
Asi. Asi.
put the emphasis on the top and the front.
Asi.
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 Asi. Asi. Very good. Asi is something that appears. Now, if I take that thing off, that little
Accent.
how would you pronounce that? If I told you with it, it was asi. Now, like this, how would you pronounce this one?
Asi.
Yeah?
Is it not stressed?
Yeah, not stressed anymore. Stressed is asi.
Asi.
Asi. Asi. Not stressed, you would say it?
Asi.
I like that because I know that you sound so Spanish to me. Asi.
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 See, so it's good. As you see, that I'll have to get someone else who say a Kiwi with no influence to say, which because I have seen this difficulty with my children. I see it too, because they are only English speaking most of the time when they're growing up. So when they see this, they would not really say a difference. If they see this, they will say asi. Without that, they will still say asi, asi, asi. So for us in Tongan, it's really interesting if it's asi, asi, asi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you have another word?
Yes.
I can try and pronounce.
Okay. Okay.
Do you need to rub out this or?
Yeah. We can do that. Okay. Say for example,
Pronouncing words, so.
how would you say that?
So this is stressed a little bit.
Yes, that's the little sign. Glottal pau'a.
Aua.
Why? Remember you say a, e, i, o, u. I hear you saying it's almost as if you are speaking German here. So say for example, please remember a, e, i, o. O is never ever going to be anything else. It's always going to be o. Never Can you say that again?
Oa.
Very good. Oa.
Oa.
Very good. Oa. And if we took that, there's no such word, but we can do it.
Oa.
Oa. Oa.
Oa.
Oa. This is our this is for Tongan word for hour. Can you say it? This one.
Hoa.
Very good, getting really good. Hoa, hoa. And one thing I would like to say about the vowels. Vowels in Tongan word. See, there was all vowels here. How would you say that if I'm making this up?
Oh wow.
Sorry for laughing. No, that's fair enough. Every vowel will be respected. If I say oa, oa, remember a, e, i, o, oa, oa,
Oa, oa.
and if there's this there, how would you say that?
Oa, oa ki.
Where did you say? That's e. That's e. Oh, sorry. That's ah.
Oh, it's an ah.
How would you say that then?
Oai.
Ah. Okay. Remember, I said respect every vowel. Never ever like the Spanish. They don't even do their thing. They just say quiero for oi. Look, that we won't. We don't like that in Tongan. We would say Kui, yeah. Everything. So how would you say that? Really remembering your vowels.
Ai.
See, because you're English person, and you say ai, and you're thinking that. Remember I told you, e is e, is e. Oa, ie. I'm sorry, there's no such word, but it's just really if we had to pronounce. Today is very good. Thank you for this. This is only a little fraction of how the pronunciation is really a challenge for anyone who speaks other language. Kevin, this is really, I've been giving you all ridiculous words just for showing you just the beginning of thing. Would you say anything about the language? And this was, I've only asked you for this little fraction of the whole language, and we haven't even gone into cultural, how people feel when you say things. What can you say from all your travel around the world and this language challenge?
Well, one thing is the pronunciation is very, very important, and the verbs, the doing words.
Right. Yeah.
In every sentence you have a doing word. So, you know, I must dig the garden. Right. Or I must clean the car. So clean and dig are the verbs. So pronunciation is very important. Absolutely. Yeah, because I could have misunderstanding with you just when I say the wrong thing. And some of the words in Tongan very important with the vowels, because when you put vowels, sometimes when you don't do the glottal stop, then you could be swearing, and it's only very short. If it's just or a, it makes a big difference. So it's really vowels and consonants really, and also we will never put a consonant double. You'll never see K or KL or LP. Never. So that's just a little few things. The beginning of this one. And thank you very much for listening to the fourth little part of Polybollylatin Tongan language learning. Bye.